In this video, we are going to see that if you are running the troubleshooter and suddenly you come across this error that says an error occurred while loading the troubleshooter, an unexpected error has occurred, the troubleshooting wizard cannot continue. The error code is 0x80070057 command line problem. So we are going to see some of the solutions that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just open up the start menu and just write here services. Let me just wait to open this up. Let's write here services, hit enter or click on that. And then let's search for the background intelligence transfer service. Here it is. Just double click on it to open. The startup type is set to manual, but we have to set it to automatic. If the service status is stopped, you can just click on start. After that, just click apply and OK, and it will be closed. Next is scroll down a little bit more and it says cryptographic services. Just double click to open that up as well. Again, make sure that startup type is set to automatic. If not, you have to switch it like this. And even if the service status is automatically running and you don't have the start option, still you can refresh that by just stopping this one time and starting it again. Click apply and OK. After that, just scroll down again a little bit here in this option and search for Windows Update this time. So here is Windows Update, and it's very easy to locate because these are all arranged in the alphabetical sequence. So you should have no problem finding any of the option. Just double click on Windows Update and make sure that startup type is set to automatic. If it is and service status is already running, just click on stop and start again. Apply and OK. And after that, just close all of these, and I recommend you to restart the computer, and hopefully that should resolve your problem. And one thing more that you can do even after restarting is just go to the start menu and just write here CMD, right click to open this up, right click and run as administrator. If it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, select yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And here we want to write ipconfig space /flush DNS. Just remember, don't put any space between flush DNS. It is a complete one word. Hit enter and it will flush the DNS server resolver cache. And after that, just write here netsh space winsock space reset. You have to write exactly in the same way. Hit enter and it will again say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So what you can do is just restart your PC once, and then hopefully your problem should be resolved. Just comment down below, guys, if that works for you. If you have some other solutions, just also mention in the comments so that it can help all the community out here to get rid of their problems or errors. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.